How to log in Capitec Bank online banking account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar you have to type in Capitec Bank login. As you do so, you will see online banking by Capitec Bank. Click onto the first link of online banking. And then you will land onto a page like this. Here you have to click on online banking. As you do so, select if it's business or personal and click on any one that you would like. Then at this page, you have to type in your account number or your username. Make sure that you enter your correct account number or your username. Once done, click on to continue. Likewise, at the next page, you will be required to enter your password for your Capitec Bank. Enter your password correctly, then click on to login. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Capitec Bank online banking account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.